This is base structure every web page. Exclamation sign, DOCTYPE HTML, inside angle bracket is declaration. It is not tag, it is declaration. Declare, it declare. This document is HTML5. It means very important information from a browser, for a browser, that browser can correct, render, show, display that concretely web page. Declaration, not tag. This is open tag, HTML tag. Every tag is inside angle brackets. You look at this is inside angle brackets. Open tag. Close tag. There is also inside angle brackets with slash here. Open tag, HTML tag. Closed HTML tag. All about HTML document is inside that two tags. Every HTML document, web page, there is one HTML element. Lang is attribute of HTML element equal, and it is value of attribute means English. That attribute tell browser, tell search engines, this document is in English. Head and body is element for every page, every web page, every HTML document. There is a head section and body section, head element and body element. Here it is open tag of head, close tag of head section element, open tag of body element, close tag of body element. And here it is closed HTML. In head section, in head element, go meta tag. It is tag about, it is information about page. That information read search engine. Body section, in body element, go all tags, what we see on the screen. Head, meta tag, information for search engine. Body, tag for users, for every tag what we see on the screen. Thank you for watching this video.